Does your drift car sail across your desktop? Y'all can go ahead and hate on me for getting something like this all you want. You can say you're a little kid, you're being childish, you're stupid. Why are you so dumb, Unc? I don't care, because when I was a kid, we couldn't really afford stuff like this. And now that I got money to afford stuff like this, and when I see it floating around on my For You page and it looks fun, I want to enjoy it too, bruh. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh, the driver wheel. Boom, boom. Oh, look at that. It's a little Porsche Orshi. What a... Oh, they give you little cones. Oh my god. I'm gonna use these cones and set up like a little drift course. Oh my, I'm about to get real good at this stuff, boy. And of course, the USB to Type-C. They also give us a little screwdriver here, you know, in case we need to like do some work on the car a little bit, be a little mechanic on the side of our little drift car for the desktop. Actually, I'm just realizing now that there's screwdrivers here so we can put more batteries into the controller. But, you know, it felt kind of cool thinking I could be a mechanic. And just so you know, it doesn't come with its own batteries. You do got to supply those yourself. So try to keep that in mind. Let's see you turn it on here. Oh, it even has lights on it, bye. I'm gonna pull up on you like this. Now, you didn't see all the attempts that I did to try to get it to drift. I'm telling you it drifts, but this is a desktop and I'm gonna be honest with you. It's not doing the best with the desktop. I don't think it has enough space. I'm only guessing that you really need like a really deep desk or you just need more space than I have. Now this is me right here with this. This is as far as I've gotten. Look at that. Obviously I feel like with a lot more practice, I'll be able to do it on a desktop, but I think the practice is gonna happen in areas that are a little larger. Cause look, I already made one of the headlights go out. I can't wait to rip this thing up even more. I'm gonna do like an update video in like a couple of weeks. I'll report back to this one, but from what I can tell already, this thing is 100% worth the hype. I highly recommend that you hit that orange card right down here and you grab one of these bad boys for yourself today.